What's up, gals and pals? I'm Coach Vino. This is the Progress Bar, and a couple of weeks ago, I brought you guys a cocktail called Yacht Rock. Now, that cocktail was named after the musical genre yacht rock, and today I'm going to stick with that theme with another musically themed cocktail called Beach Goth. Now, the Beach Goth cocktail was created by Sotack for Death & Co. As for the Beach Goth music genre, that emerged in the late 2000s, early 2010s out in Southern California. Much of his influence is attributed to a band called the Growlers, who coined the term Beach Goth and defined much of its sound and its aesthetic. The Beach Goth sound is a blend of sunny, laid-back surf rock and the darker, moodier elements of goth rock. So look, if black eyeliner and suntan lotion are your thing, then this might be the cocktail for you. All right, but look, before I make this cocktail, I'm gonna need you guys to do me a favor and hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can help Vino feed the hungry algorithm. And make sure you stick around, because we're gonna boogie down. All right, folks, let's look at what is in the sauce for our Beach Goth cocktail. The first thing we're gonna need is a half an ounce of pineapple juice. Now, I'm very fortunate that I was able to find some of Trader Joe's cold pressed pineapple juice. If you could find this stuff, I mean, this is the best bottled pineapple juice you could find. But if you can't, look, go ahead and use your Dole canned stuff. I use it all the time. I think it's perfectly fine, but this stuff just is really delicious, right? The next thing we're gonna need is a 3/4 ounce of lime juice, all right? Here we go, beautiful. And then we're gonna do 3/4 ounce of a banana liqueur. I'm gonna be using my homemade banana liqueur, but you should feel free to use whatever quality banana liqueur you guys have, all right? And then we're gonna do 1 ounce of Ramazzotti. Ramazzotti is an Amaro, so this is really cool. I don't know if I've had Amaro in too many Tiki cocktails. I can't think off the top of my head, but always fun to use Amaro, because you guys know Vino loves Amaro. And I will put a list down in the description to my Amaro playlist. I got some great Amaro cocktail videos, right? And then we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of 100 proof bourbon, okay, guys? I'm gonna be using Resurgent Bourbon, and this is a gift from my pal Matt and his wonderful wife Sparkle. They are some loyal subscribers of mine, and I'm very grateful to have them on board, all right? And then last but not least, you're gonna do a teaspoon or a bar spoon of a Crème de Cacao, all right, folks? So this is gonna add some nice chocolatey notes to the cocktail. All right, there you go. And then we're gonna add some ice to our shaker, all right? And then you're gonna wanna shake that up for about 10 to 15 seconds. All right, folks, I think we shook this bad boy up enough. I'm gonna put that to the side. Then I'm gonna grab my Tiki glass of choice, all right? And then we're just gonna strain that in there. Okay, you got that Tiki brown. I don't know if that's on the Pantone list of colors, but this is what it is. Tiki brown, guys, all right? And then we're gonna add some crushed ice to this drink, all right, guys? So just fill this bad boy up with some crushed ice. Oops, all right. All right, then I'm just gonna top it off a little bit more right here. I always like to have a little dome of combed ice there, all right, of crushed ice. And then you're gonna go ahead and just garnish that with a little pineapple frond or a pineapple wedge, whatever you wanna do, folks, right, folks? And there we have it, our Beach Goth cocktail. All right, so let's go ahead and give our Beach Goth cocktail a sippy sip. Cheers. Oh, that's really good. That's actually got some really nice, almost kind of perfumey notes going on there. That's definitely coming from the bourbon. That's combined with the Ramazzotti, which gives it a little bit of some kind of Coke notes going on. This is very nice, guys. Yeah, so that Ramazzotti and the bourbon are working so nicely together. It's adding some kind of, you're getting some Coke, kind of floral, almost cherry Coke notes going on here. Very nice cocktail, guys. Another bomb Tiki cocktail. I hope you guys try it out. If you like this video, please press like, please subscribe, and please share with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring, and when life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.